It is recommended to clean and maintain your Shark FlexBreeze HydroGo Fan once every 6 months, or as needed.
First, to ensure the fan will not accidentally turn on during maintenance, lock mode must be activated. Lock mode will temporarily block all fan functions until deactivated. This is to prevent risk of the fan operating when the blades are exposed for cleaning. To activate lock mode, press and hold the power button on top of the fan head for 8 seconds. When activated, all lights on the front display will flash 3 times. With a damp microfiber cloth, wipe down all the outside and easily accessible parts of the fan. Once complete, you'll need to deactivate lock mode before using the fan. To deactivate lock mode,
press and hold the power button on top of the fan head for 8 seconds.
When deactivated, all lights on the front display the startup animation. It is recommended to clean your water tank every week or as needed. Before doing a clean soak, ensure that lock mode is activated. Fill the water tank with 5 ounces of undiluted distilled white vinegar and let it sit for no more than 5 to 7 minutes. Carefully, then empty the vinegar out of the tank over a drain and refill the tank with clean tap or filtered water. Ensure the water tank and misting cap are fully sealed. Then, gently shake the unit for 10 seconds. Repeat the last 2 steps once more to thoroughly rinse the water tank. Then, deactivate lock mode and allow the water tank to dry completely before using the unit again. Before using the misting function again, fully flush the water system for at least 1 minute with clean water. And it's as simple as that. The Shark Fan is so easy to clean and maintain. Looking for more tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.